everybody. This production takes place in a plant cell a long, long time ago. This isn't right. We're underpaid and overworked. How can you explain this?
Hush, Mr. Mitochondria will hear you. Just do what you're told and everything will be okay.
But this isn't right. Everybody's thinking it, but nobody has the guts to tell it to him to his face.
Not everyone is thinking we're overworked. I think we're just doing our jobs.
I work hard all day performing photosynthesis. I convert sunlight energy to sugar, and he just whisks it away and turns it into ATP. I have to work overtime because he demands so much sugar. I know that he and his little mitochondrial matrix have lots of fun producing ATP.
Well, he does have cristae to increase his surface area and enhance his ATP producing abilities. But then again, if he didn't convert sugar into ATP, then none of us would have jobs.
Hello, Miss Chloroplast. Hi, Miss Ribosomes. How are you guys doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. What did you say?
You know what? I'm sick of it. I'm sick of doing so much work around here and not getting any credit for it. I know that you're the powerhouse of the cell and all, but that doesn't give you the power to take away people's work, perform cellular respiration, turn it into ATP, and not tell anybody who helps you.
Hey, don't feel bad. Every organelle has its function. Like, look at Miss Ribosome over here. She converts RNA to proteins, which every cell needs. Every organelle has their purpose, and we all have to work together to make a cell work great. So don't feel bad.
But I don't feel valuable. I make all the sugar, you get all the credit because you turn it into ATP. People think that you're the powerhouse of the cell, but in all honesty, without me, you're useless. And I think it's time I get credit for all my hard work. I won't stick up for this any longer.
Well, I have many cristae and matrix that enhance the surface area of me, so I can make a lot of ATP. But I guess you're right. You do make glucose that I have to use in order to make the ATP. And I guess you're right. Sorry.
Well, see, Ms. Chloroplast, you and I, we are both very important. We each have our own jobs, and no one else can do it better than we can. For example, no one else, besides me, has a small ribosomal subunit and a large subunit. These parts are necessary for me to read RNA into proteins. My small ribosomal subunit reads the RNA, while my large subunit joins amino acids to form a polypeptide chain.
But that doesn't explain anything. You didn't say how we work together. And do you want to know why? Because we don't work together. We are down here working our butts off, doing all the heavy lifting, and you sit up on a throne pretending you're all of that. You don't cooperate.
Maybe the only one who isn't cooperating here is you. All the organelles in the cell work together very well. They keep their cells alive and healthy, but making sure it's never smelly or filthy. Without ribosomes, cells wouldn't have any proteins that are essential for every cell inside your body. They help other organelles.
And their job isn't too shabby.
Without chloroplasts, cells wouldn't have any chemical energy. They use sunlight very cleverly, and they provide the energy that mitochondria convert into ATP. This is how I know that we all need each other.
Even though we might be a bother.
Guys, we should all work together, because together is so much better.
It is better. I guess I owe you an apology. I'm sorry.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's
Yeah.
get started.
Yeah.
Here's your glucose.
You have the instructions.
And that's it. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.